is Sia. I come from an online shopping experience called the Open Space. Now, what we do with the Open Space is we want to create a platform that runs like a mall, where entrepreneurs from around the country come together and they use one platform to reach out to audiences that they would otherwise not be able to reach out to by themselves. Now, this was started after going through a journey of discovering different people and what they offer and the different amazing products that are produced locally. So we felt that as a market in South Africa, we need to create something that would better service the people that are our next door neighbors, the guy down the road. So that's pretty much what the Open Space is all about, and thank you for the time.